Hello crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I'm not a financial advisor. So, let's start. Alright, in this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your relevant. Now, as you can see the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is a donut shop. Like, what is donut shop? Like, you can see everything about this project, like shop, earn and grow with the top decentralized crypto protocol. Like, you will get their tab, like as you can see their tab interface, which is really amazing. Like, you can say that it's a swap, like pancake swap and everything. Like, you can see the whole balance farm, NFT farm and many more, like you can see. Also guys, you can see something about their buy now, their pin sale. This is the partner, like pin sale, dex view and coin market cap. Also, they are audited by solid proof, like you can see their audited report. Also, they are KYC by Pinsel, and they are SAPU, like their liquidity is low, which is also by Pinsel. Like, you can see something about their information in their website. Also, you can see the tokenomics, like their buy tax, which is 0%, and their sell tax, which is 5%. This is the tokenomics, and their total supply you can see, which is really amazing. And you can buy now, you'll get their links, like you can see. Also the features, like boost your earnings, like be happy, like earn now, boost your earnings, like, and expanding daily app network to have brings a suite of key complementary features. Developers, traders and liquidity providers unite a multifaceted platform, offering a launchpad diverse farming options including syrup and USD rewards, lottery gambling, NFT collections, and much more. And you can see, like, you can see already their tabs, which is really full, like the interface, like with only donuts. So you can see something about their white paper, and you must be need to read their white paper for all information, so you can check it out. Also guys, you get their team information, like their team, blockchain expert, developer marketing. Like, you can say that they have an experienced team. Also, you can see the join the evolution, like you will get their Twitter and the Telegram format. Also guys, their roadmap. Like, as you can see the roadmap, like the season 1, season 2 and season 3. Right now, they are on their season 2, like you can see. After season 2, in the season 3 they have lots of things coming, like dApps 2.0, partnerships, also expansion and metaverse, which is really amazing. Right now they are on syrup sections, after that iOS mobile and Android mobile, like you can see. And you can see their full roadmap about this project. Like, here you can see like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. Like, yeah, here you will get all information about their roadmap, which is really amazing. Like, you can say that lots of things coming in the future. Now, if I saw more options, like you can get their Twitter, Telegram and Twitch account, and that's it. And now let's read their white paper. And obviously, as I said, if you need all information about this project, so you must really read their white paper, like their vision and mission, their fair launch, their roadmap, their tokenomics, their tags, also their bind mechanism, automatic liquidity, DAO governance, and their dust swap tags, launchpad, their gamified donut NFT pass, lottery referral, and many more. Obviously guys, I want to tell you guys, this project is now pinned on B20, like BRC, like we can say that the Binance Smart Chain. But after their launch, they will reach it on Ethereum blockchain pause of attract with their investors, which is really amazing. Like, if you saw their X profile, like their username, as you can see, which is ETH, but it's now been on Binance Smart Chain. After their launch, they will reach on BSC and Ethereum network, like as you can see their information in their Twitter bio. Obviously guys, you must need their white paper for all information, like as you can see. Now, let's see. And guys, they are parallel to his upcoming on Pinsel. Like as you can see, after 1 day the presale will start, and you can see something about the more information like the introduction about donut parallel, and you will get their Safu alternate KYC report also. You can check it out. And their status like sale type, they are not available right now. Rural supply, they are listing all their legal local pride, and they have an affiliate program, so you can check it out for yourself. Now, guys, let's check it out. Their X profile, like as you can see, they have much followers, like 5,674 followers, which is really amazing. Also, like you can see there about this project, like they are in guys like it. Like we can say that they are already started their marketing slide, as you can see. I hope that before their presale start, they will do more marketings. Like as you can see, they are already started their marketings, and they are really active on their Twitter profile, which is really amazing. So that's it about this project. For more crypto, for more information about this project, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto.